You can open mic. If you got mic, try. We will discuss for your question, Jia.
Okay.
Jia, okay. So as you can see, today is quite different. You see, today's notes already got mark, kan? You see the red pen mark. So today, what I'm trying to train you all will become upgrade already. You will become a level of the teacher. Okay, you will become the marker like teacher do in the SPN also. So you're trying to spot lah. Okay, why this student cannot get mark? Why this student can get mark? Like this. Okay, so Jai, we go through your question. Solvent K and solvent L. So you can see two different things. Okay, two different things inside. So you have the hydrogen chloride gas go into the solution. Okay, so the litmus paper will dip inside, so you will test it whether got reaction or not. So for the K, no reaction. For the L, they got turn red color. So turn red color means Jai?
Acid.
Yes. Remember always biru merah BN masuk acid. Okay. Kalau acid kamu ingatlah BN bahasa Melayu, bahasa Malaysia acid BN. Okay. So you can get any example of the organic solvent, methyl benzene. Okay. Another one for the L solvent is definitely it's a water lah, because they need to dissolve the acid inside, dissolve the hydrogen chloride. Okay. So for the part B, okay, why no changing for the solvent K? Jia?
Because,
no water present, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to add on anything, Jia?
And
yeah,
they cannot be ionized to produce free moving ions.
Yeah, so you say no water present, so hydrogen, that's how you put hydrogen, kan? Hydrogen chloride gas cannot ionize form free moving ion. You see all the keyword inside already. Well done, Jia. Alvin and Yancy already okay. If Jia cannot spot out the thread, then both of you have to come out because we have to save time today. Okay, we need to finish all the questions. So Jia continue. What is mean by acid? So this got two diagram. You have diagram S, T. So they are different molarity. Both also sulfuric acid. So I think the pH was different, right? But they never tell you. Yeah. Okay. So apakah maksud acid? Define it. Is it complete one mark?
A chemical substance.
Very good. Continue, Jai. That
ionize in water to produce hydrogen ion.
Very good. So we specify what substance. So you say chemical substance. So important one is you must have keyword ionize water, produce hydrogen ion. So how much of the hydrogen ion depends on how strong the acid Jai. So if you want to define why sulfuric is a strong acid, how can sulfuric is a strong acid?
Because it can ionize completely in
Very
water.
good. So you can say now, you can use back just now the definition, you just modify a bit.
Okay.
It's a chemical substance that ionize in water. How?
Completely.
Very good. So you see, Jia give us a very good answer, perfect answer. Chemical substance that ionize completely in water to produce. Jia, today your sister didn't talking already.
She only talk at night.
Oh, today she is not around.
Yeah.
Your sister is how old?
20.
20 or only?
Yeah.
20. So still study college lah.
Yeah.
Okay, private or government university?
Private.
Private, okay. So a chemical substance that ionizes completely in water to produce high concentration of hydrogen ion. Perfect. So because the question asks you strong acid, why we say it's strong acid? Because of the keyword you have concentration, high concentration hydrogen ion. And the keyword must have completely in water, ionized. Well done, Jia. Okay. Continue for the number 3. Jia, S and T, they got different pH, but which one have a lower one? Lower means strong acid or weak acid?
Wait, lower. Strong?
Strong, okay. Strong, powerful one. Strong acid is the lower pH. So the S is the stronger one because you see 0.1. Explain why.
High concentration.
Very good. High concentration. So you must complete of the hydrogen ion. You see, too much easier. You just give the name and explain. Okay, number D. Chemical equation for the reaction. Potassium hydroxide. Okay, put into the conical flask. Then a few drops phenolphthalein put inside. And then titrate with the solution S. Solution is just now H2SO4. So you have to give a full equation. Try Jia and write down in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay, give Jia a little bit time. Alia, Nabila, welcome. Afina, I think all of you from Kuching, is it? Joyce, Joyce from Kuching, is it? I saw Joyce. Pilotia, sure you are from Kuching. Anak orang Iban, is it? I saw her name. Can know because Sarawakian a lot of very nice English name. English nickname. Okay, Kai En, I know Kai En. Okay, you got 3 friends here lah. Alia, Arfina, and Joyce. Is it same school? Welcome you all. Okay. But is it this the first time you join Mr. Lai workshop? Okay. Okay. Welcome. We learn together. Okay. So continue. You got your nota. Everyone got your nota. Everyone receive. Oops. If don't have, you tell Mr. Lai. Okay, continue to Jia Yi. Got lah. Afina got nota. Okay, Jia Yi KOH out. So KOH here, you have to put another one.
Is H2SO4.
H2SO4 good, and then it will form
K2SO4.
SO4, very good. How many water?
2.
Oh, very good. Okay, like this. Complete already. Is it need to balance the equation?
The KOH.
Yes. KOH must put how many in front?
2.
2. Okay, good. Then you get perfect marks, 2 marks here. One for the formula and another one for balancing. Okay, how to count the volume for sulfuric acid? So first step, you must have the number of mole. You see, every time you get the mole, then you will success already for the first step. So every time looking for mole. Mole is very important in chemistry. Okay. Study mole. apa soalan panjang pun, you tengok more saja. Kalau you dapat cari more, you sudah berjaya first step. Like you missing your thing already. You are looking for your staff. Who are you looking for, Jia? If you're at home, you want to find something, who will you refer to? Who will you ask for help?
Maybe my sister or parents.
Your sister or your mommy, right? Mother should know where you put the thing, right? So like now, every time you look at the question, question is complicated, even though how complicated, how long the question, you're looking for more first. Okay. Looking for more, then you can get 1 mark already. And then second step, you're looking for comparison. So from the Jia equation just now, 2 KOH react with 1 H2SO4. So I get 0.025. That means H2SO4 also 0.0125, half of it, right? So Jia get this one. And then Jia will use this more and find out the molarity, not molarity, volume, is it?
Yes.
The volume. Volume. So this one I'm wrong already now. No, not MA. This is a V volume. Okay. So simple only. The calculation, I think you all no problem, because all of you can join workshop one, sure very good one. Just want to enhance your skill only. So thank you, Jia, well done, perfect, Jia. No track,
Yeah.
And Alvin, okay, clear. Alvin happy. Yancy, hey. You all have to check for us. Okay, Yancy said, okay, then we go lah. No problem. I believe Yancy, Alvin. Okay. So Jie now. Jie, hi. Jie, your question is from Johor set. Jie, have you been Johor? Have you go Johor before? Johor have anything nice there? You go travel there? Okay. So acid is a chemical substance. Is it okay? For 1 mark, no problem. Legoland, you are good. I mean, you so rich. Oh, not my hometown. Not your hometown lah. Okay lah. But Mr. La ask you, you been Johor before or not? You go there, travel before? No, yeah. Then you can, next time you can try go. Johor is quite nice. Got Legoland. Still got a lot of things now. Not only Legoland, right, Alvin? I think Johor food also very nice. Johor near to the Singapore lah, huh? Okay, can visit Singapore also. Okay, continue. Jie, agree 1 mark, no problem. And acid S is ethanol acid, acid T is sulfuric acid, is it correct? How you know it's ethanol acid? How you know, Jie? Ethanol acid actually used for what? In our daily life, we can eat a lot of the sometimes we also eat ethanol acid, right? So ethanol acid actually is what in our flavoring? Yes, vinegar. Yes. You like to drink vinegar, Alvin? Jie, you like to eat vinegar? Sulfuric acid. Yes. So it's a type of the vinegar, ethanol acid. Vinegar. Cuka, you know cuka lah. Ethanol acid. Yeah, ethanol acid, we can also call it as the acetic acid. Okay, so ethanol acid. Yes, sometimes you call acetic also. Okay. Alvin, you like to 吃醋 You know 吃醋 in Chinese, we say eat vinegar is not good, right? Dilute sulfuric acid. JE say you want dilute. Why you want dilute? They say name only, ma. Name say no need, lor. JE, name only, so you just give sulfuric acid, lor. They never ask you dilute or concentrated. Oh, okay, JE, continue. JE, this question, 2 marks here. Is it okay? I think it's too good to good. This question should be give 3 marks. Because I checked the point. They got at least 3 points already here. It's a weak acid and strong acid. So it say, point 2, they partially ionize in water to produce low. Like this one, it produce high. And then point 3, I think can give. But the question too good to good. It's okay, you just follow on. The higher the concentration ion, the higher the concentration of, yes, it's better. We change like the JE answer. Good. We use it. The higher concentration of hydrogen ions. More specific. Very good, JE. Yeah, we change it a bit. In the acid like this, okay. No track. Today not so many track. Today you can't kind already. I don't want set up yours. Okay. So D for part D, JE, number of mole. Okay, very good. This question, you see, they give you solid. So from the solid, you need to use solid and dissolve in the solution, and to make it become the solution of 1.0 molarity, this solution. So JE will describe how you're going to prepare so much of the solution by using the solid copper sulfate. JE, very good. JE say 0.25. How you know 0.25 mole? Because JE count from the mole. That's what I told you already. Every time looking for more, looking for your mummy. Okay, mole is the mummy. Very good. So number of mole equal to NV divide 1000. So JE will get N equal to 1 times 250 1 times 250 divide 1000 equal to 0.25 more. Like this. Very good, JE. And then second step, JE will find out the mass. Very good, JE. The mass will be number of mole times molar mass. Molar mass is 160. JE get 160, so total is 40 gram. And then JE know 40 gram, we need to take from the solid copper sulfate powder. Okay, so we add in 40 gram. Well done, JE. We put inside the answer 40 gram here into how much of the water? JE, why you say 210? How can 210 from where? From where? 210 is from where? Cannot do like this. Cannot. Be careful. JE, be careful, because the solution 250. Yes, we follow 250. We don't because how to say actually the solution you prepare JE, okay, you calculate already. So the 40 gram is the must use mass, and the volume water you cannot cut off also. You have to follow, because the total volume you need is 250. So the gram will not affect the volume. so you don't cut off the volume. So you will still using 250. Be careful this one. Oh, we don't deduct the volume. We just follow. But the counting is not like this. 解义啊，所以你要弄清楚，它有一点不一样，就是，OK， 250 is the must use volume. You must follow the 250. Because from your calculation, you calculate 40 gram is correct already. 40 gram 就是40 gram 了，然后这个40 gram 就是要用的，然后250 also have to use. You cannot cut off. Okay. Because gram and the volume is different thing. They are not counting together in this situation. Remember, 40 gram is 40 gram. 250 is 250. Now you are preparing the solution only. Be careful this one. You try more, you will know. Okay, you see the question number 2 also same. You try again. Now you are using, just now you prepare already, kan? You prepare 1 molarity already, kan? So this 1 molarity is come from JE first step. So JE prepare already, this one. Okay, so you dilute with water. Then now you need to prepare another new one solution, new molarity one. New molarity with the 0.5. Okay, remember, also you need to prepare 500. So 500 is the new solution, new amount of the volume. So how you're going to prepare it? So remember, when you saw the keyword diluted, this is the process we are using, diluted method. So remember, when got distilled water, that is the diluted method. Okay, this is diluted method. Can see dilution, we say dilution method. Okay, dilution method. So M1V1 equal to M2V2. So JE, continue the step. What is your M1? Your molarity one is the before. Before one is what? N1 is what? Good. M1 is 1.0. So every time you do, you label it. Okay, volume 1 JE, volume 1. Volume 1 not given, so you cannot do. You have to find out volume 1. This one don't have. So volume 1 don't have. How about molarity 2? Molarity 2 is the after dilute. So molarity 2 is your .5, right? So your M2 will be your 0.5 here, molarity 2. Your volume 2 will be 500. Then JE can do already. JE can continue already. So 1.0 times V1, volume 1, you don't know, but you know 0.5, right? You know 500, right? Then you know already, V1 will be your 250 CNQ, NRJ. Then you know, you need to prepare 250 CNQ of what? To prepare this new solution, you need to dissolve 250. Very good, JE. Very good. So you know what I mean already, here 250, 250 CNQ. Always have the unique one. Remember, Octavia. Finally, Octavia, you join us. Octavia, welcome. Octavia can. Now we are going to the question D. We are looking for D here. Johor D. Octavia. Octavia can follow. Johor question D now. And follow. Okay, dissolve 250 CNQ of the 1.0. Very good. Must specify. Remember, molarity must have. of the CuSO4 solution into the 250. Very good. 250. 500. JEY now 500 already. Okay. JE, you see, sorry, I made you confused already. I apologize to you, JE. Okay, JE, just now it's different, situation is different. Just now you see, just now is gram versus cm, so totally different. So when you saw the unit is different, be careful, JE. Just now is gram versus cm kan, different thing kan. So the gram 40 gram, they never count inside. So we still use 250. Now can you accept my explanation like this? This is 250, right? Okay. Angry already, JE. Okay, sorry, I made you confused. You see, gram unit is different with cm, right? So now what we are versus is we are using volume now. 250 is volume. Okay, so volume versus volume. Be careful, JE. Cannot already. So we have to count this volume. Like this, you can. Can or not, JE? Like this, my explanation for you, okay or not? 250, you plus inside, right? 250 here already, right? Okay, so you cannot 500 more, cannot. It's too much. Then we become 750. Then you need to cut off already because your final product will be 500. Like this. You know what I mean? So this one you need to put 250. Okay? Because this is gram, they are different a little bit. 那个 gram 它是粉状嘛，它会溶进去那个水，溶进那个水呢，它影响就不有这样大了。Okay, 所以它不是 volume 对 volume。When volume to volume, cm to cm, then you have to count. But the gram versus cm, then cannot count inside. Okay, so still 250 there. Like this one, you check the unit, okay lah. Next time you check the unit. If same unit, then you have to be careful 同样 unit 要小心。其实是的，对，决议其实是对，它会占 volume，对。其实你讲的对，不过在我们准备这个我们叫做 standard solution 这边在这个叫做 prepare standard solution。prepare the standard solution 的时候，它的这个 gram 是不算进去里面的。它其实它的方法是已经算出来了，它已经算出来这个 mol 是准的。他们是有根据算法，因为算到这个0.2 mol 是准的，所以不管的，它已经有这个 mol 了，所以我一定要放的 volume 就是250啊。所以这个不同 unit 时候不能这样子比，明白？你要这样子看就可以了，因为这个是 prepare standard solution，so when you got the mol already standard already， so you just add in the water， 然后你出来的东西就是准的，就是你要的 1.0， 就是这个，所以你不要把它两个东西掺在一起来看It's okay, good， 建议，you can have question like this, very good， 证明你已经在思考这了 ，very good。I like the brainstorming like that, this， well done， 建议。OK， 凯恩，好，凯恩，凯恩有在，凯恩。凯恩，OK， 凯恩 here，good good good。凯恩 got mic, can open mic also, no problem, 凯恩。Okay, be ready, 凯恩。So 凯恩 your question is MRSN. That's why I ask you, what is MRSN 呢？凯恩，什么来的 MRSN？MRSN stand for what？ 凯恩，你有没有做过 MRSN 的 question？ State the name of the gas. So the gas here, what is the name of the gas 呢？凯恩，so you know it's a carbon dioxide 有没有做过 MRSN？ Anyone know? MRSN stand for what? MRSN 不是很出名咩？ways you solve the question, exam paper, trial, exam paper. Mara, very good, good, good. Yancy, good. Yancy, yeah, right. MRSN stand for, I think it's mark size. Size. I think I got the paper. Matak size rendah. Yes. Rendah size. Yes, well done. ID good. Good. Yes. So matak rendah size malah. Yeah, MRSN correct. Very good ID. So actually MRSN question are very, very accurate one. Oh. They got two very important school. Their paper, trial paper must do one. You know which two? You know which two? MRSN is the one. For your SPM. Anyone know? Which two? MRSN is one of that. Bigger. Another one is what? Okay, Kai En, 你看一下 Kai En. Explain the difference, Kai En. Okay, these 3 mark, okay, agree or not, Kai En? So you say, acid, 它可以 ionize in water, 它 form hydrogen ion. Okay, so Kai En, this one okay. And the hydrogen ion can react with the carbonate, yes. The essence of the water, the acid remain molecule. So the observation like this can accept or not? The different, 为什么会有这个 different? Why got this different? Why got this different? So you say because no water cannot. Very good, Yancy. Yes. SVP is sekolah berasrama penuh. Okay. If you combine these two sets, trial exam, then very good already. I think I don't know how the question they set out. Okay, but every time the MRSN and the SBP question come out or trial exam, they will come out in the SPN. Some of the question. So be ready. So if can, you collect all the subject from these two schools. Then you must try. Very accurate. I don't know why. Very accurate. So it's good if you can go through. Write the ionic equation. So ionic equation is what? Kai En can try. Okay. I already received SBP already. SBP trial teacher already got. Okay. We will do it together in Plan A plus workshop. Okay. We will do it together. So in this Friday night, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. and Saturday 9 to 10:30. If you all can join, then you can learn more about the trial exam. Okay, some of you maybe not yet join, right? You can try to arrange your time. If teacher can able to get MRSN and okay, I also will do it together in the Plan A plus program. Okay, Pravina, how you can help? Kai En said a bit confused. Is it carbonate react with water? Kai En, no. Kai En, you check back, Kai En. Kai En, now the question is say benzoic acid. Actually, it's the benzoic acid. Benzoic acid react with the calcium carbonate. Benzoic acid, because they got water here, Here got water already, So the benzoic acid no more become solid. It will become the benzoic acid. So you have to write down what is the equation. for the whole process. Can calcium carbonate react with cannot react with water. It's insoluble salt, calcium carbonate. Try. You can try. Or Yancy, Alvin, you can try. Help. Give the equation. Jiaji can help also, no problem. Eugenia, Eugenia, I haven't asked you a question. They haven't asked you. Try. Okay, so how? You know already kan calcium carbonate and the benzoic acid. Benzoic acid formula how? Ayo, I don't know benzoic acid how. Habis lo, tak boleh buat lah. Macam mana? Alvin, you know benzoic acid formula? Karen give us already C7 lah. Benzoic got so many C 7 Oh, benzoic is 7 Okay. But do you think we need to write down all the C7? No need, right? Because it's an ionic equation. You see, JE very good. Ionic equation ma. So even though I don't know benzoic acid, no problem. You still can do. Yes. Don't worry, Alvin. You never heard me. You are right because won't test in SPN. Don't worry. Won't test you in SPN. Don't worry. It's normal. It's normal, Alvin. Because benzoic acid is not in our syllabus, we never learn about benzoic, so they never ask you to write something you never learn. No, so no problem. But because of ionic equation, you no need to show the formula for benzoic acid. You just show what, like JE write down for us. Very good, JE. Okay, JE good. JE help already for the ionic equation. Perfect. 2 marks. Very good. Okay, Kai En. Now my question, Kai En. Kai En here. Kai En can open mic. Okay, Kai En, my question now. Okay, Kai En. Ionic equation means we need to write down the important ion, right? The ions which involved in the reaction only, right? Kai En, bolehkah cikgu tulis macam ini? Can I do like this? Can or not? Kai En, try give teacher your opinion. 你觉得可以吗？ I cannot. Calcium carbonate. I give extra calcium here. Can or cannot? Privana, Alvin, Yancy, Eugenia, how do you think? How do you think? This is A, this is B. Which one correct? A correct, Normally you see A or not? Yes. Normally you will see A. Brandon also good. Yes, normally you see A, but B also accept. Actually, both also accept. They also accept. B also accept. It's okay lah. Yang penting dia nampak ada ini H plus ion. Yang penting dia nampak H plus ion. This one you have to write down H plus only. The other one, the carbon or benzoic one, no need to write. Okay, but the calcium carbonate they accept. They accept also. Yeah, actually the calcium is not need to write, right? Calcium actually not involved, right? Yeah, I think the best answer we write the A lah. A. Sometimes the schema, sometimes it's very linear. It depends lah. But if you have good practice already, you don't confuse lah. You just write A only lah. You just write A. A is the best answer lah for me also lah. Thank you. Kai En, very good. Okay. Sometimes different, okay? Different SPN years, different schema also. Sometimes it's quite linear, sometimes it's quite strict. I hope yours one is quite linear lah, huh? We pray for it. Okay, Kai En, continue Kai En. Kai En, now you have the vinegar. You need to determine how much the concentration. So you titrate with the 0.1 sodium hydroxide. And then you try it. You use the phenolphthalein as the indicator. You see it. After the test, you got 3 results. So the equation gives you already. Very good. The type of the acid is a weak acid. No problem, kan? So you have to calculate. How much is the concentration for ethanol acid? Kai En. Kai En, you see, this question only 3 marks, right, Kai En? So you see 3 marks question, for you, do you think you will use this long calculation? Only get 3 marks here. And you get here. Finally, you get the molarity, the MA equal to how many? 0.094. Or you prefer the method B, Kai En? Which one will you choose? Method B, I think you learned before, right? You prefer the long one. Okay, no problem, Kai En. As long as you get the answer 0.094. If you don't want so many steps, it's okay, Kai En. No problem, no problem. Even though you give so long answer, still can get marks. Still same. So up to you, up to your convenience. You think which one you more confident, you use. No problem, Kai En. Okay, no problem. Teacher want to know how many of you will use the A method, how many of you will do B. You just type A or B. This is A method. This is B method. Actually, B method, I prefer more because B method, how to say that? B method actually is quite safe compared with A, because everything just soaks other. Your information will given. You just must soak other. You see how I do, very simple, very fast also. Jia Yi, how Eugenia, how? Oh, you prefer A, Eugenia can use B, okay. Is it? No, no. Confirm no. B is also can get perfect all mark. No problem one. As long as you follow all the steps. B, very good. Okay. My school teacher say what? Your school teacher say B will deduct mark. No lah. We got such thing. Give teacher your teacher phone number. I ask for you, Yancy. Okay, maybe I want to discuss with her. Maybe she wants to scare you all lah. She worry you all maybe mistake, or maybe they're not confident enough lor. For A method they got good lah. A method you can say play safe lah. Because long calculation step, but consider is very safety lah. Because you got 1 step, 2 step here, comparison 3 step, and the last one here. You see, it's quite traditional, but maybe even though you make mistake at the step 3, but you still get 1, 2 lah. Okay, but the MAVA, MBVB equal to A over B is quite good also for teacher lah. I would prefer method B. Because you want to know MA, you don't know so now you don't know concentration is your acid, you don't know, so I ganti here only MA. Okay, but I know my VA is here, 25 already given. And I know my MB, MB is how many? MB, how I get MB? Where is our MB? MB equal to how many? No. I earn MB is from where? 0.10? Oh, very good. 0.10 here. Okay. Thank you, Gina. MB. Then V, VB, how we know VB? Participant, participant, where are you from, participant? Okay, participant. Where are you from, participant? Oh, Ottawa cannot join. Okay, no problem. Okay, so how VB, normally we use the last upper to last result. Upper to last result. VB to berapa? VB. Volume for base how many? So volume here. You use the last You use the 23.5 Alvin. And not like this. Habis so. Yes, average. Very good. Agree with Jay. Alvin cannot like this. Oh. Why cannot? Why must use the last one? The second one cannot, man. Alvin is so funny one. 1, 2, 3, then you choose the last one. Ayo. Cannot like this. Very dangerous. Like your girlfriend, you choose the latest one. You got 3 girlfriends, then you choose the new one. Is it? Cannot like this. All must include. So you have to get average. Average here. So you divide like for 4, you divide 4 lor. So 23.5 lor. This this is your, and this is your VB. Is it okay? VB here. This one. Thank you, Gina. So you see, very good, very easier because I got all the information. I just substitute inside. That's why I like method B so much. It like this. 0.1 times 23.50 equal to, how I know that? A, B, how many? How I know? A divide B is how many? How I know? Today is so quiet. Today Albert is so quiet. Albert, you can ask question ma. Alia, Nabila, you can ask question also. Nabila, what is the A over B? Albert, how? Jia Qi also can answer. Participant, participant welcome. Okay. I did got question. Ask Question ask. Alvin, hurry up. Okay, so how? A over B is how many here? Anyone can answer, teacher, here. How to get? How you know that, Jie? I always like to ask why. Why don't use lowest, sir? So that it will not access lowest. I did say lowest one. Oh, lowest. You got the volume here. No, cannot. In this experiment, we don't have access. We don't use any access thing. ID. Access thing only when you add in some powder, when you add in access. Okay. In this case, all the result is accurate one. That means you see 1, 2, 3. You will do so many times, you want to get the average. So the average will be the perfect volume. Okay. Perfect volume like this. In this case, we don't have access. I don't ID. No access. Kalau ada access, dia akan beritahu you ID. Macam dia akan letak powder ni access. Berapa banyak access dia akan letak. Okay. Chemical equation, very good, Jay. Chemical equation tell us acid here, A equal to 1. So now, what do you think already? When you saw my calculation, do you think B is much more easier? I can directly get the answer already, very fast. And also, one thing is, I can save my time also, but to get the same answer. No problem, no, you see. But Yancy teacher say tolak maka, Yancy. Maybe the teacher would say, oh, we got 3 marks here, here got 1 mark only ma. I actually cannot like this one. Okay, because we are the marker for SPM, we know lah. Okay. For this method, actually is acceptable also. Because why? Because all the thing inside you got here. This one important. This one equal to the comparison already. You still get 3 marks. No problem. No. So all this calculation here will give you mark here. You don't worry, NC. NC can. NC, okay. So no problem one. So for chemistry, if this method is acceptable in the chemistry textbook, that means it's okay, clear, safe. You don't worry, because this method is inside our textbook. No problem. Can accept. Okay, continue. ID. ID, your turn now. ID. Today very fast, very good. ID. Have you heard before this name? What is it? 0.9% Brownian. Okay. 0.9% Brown. How to pronounce Brown? You never heard? I also never heard. First time. But you see, don't worry. Okay. They won't ask you out of the syllabus one. This is inside the NaCl. Actually, this is a salt solution. This is the sodium chloride 0.9%. I don't know why they use this word brown. When this brown come out of words, I also don't know. But NaCl we know, we learn, right? I did. So actually, when you benzene already, you not enough energy, the doctor will give you injection. They will inject this one to your tongue. Have you saw? Have you saw in the hospital also? Okay, the people very weak, sakit, dia tak boleh makan, dia akan masuk solution ini. Because we need to replace our body film and salt. Akan mati kalau kita kekurangan garam dalam body kita, dalam kita punya blood. Yeah, this is a biology one. Very good, Alvin. Yeah. So ID, now your job is, apakah nama bagi larutan di mana kepekatan larutan diketahui dengan tepat? So what is the name for the solution? How we name it? Suddenly very jam, I cannot move. I think you cannot listen my voice, right? Can you listen?
Can, sir.
Jam je ham okay can listen cut lacking, my computer lacking also. I don't know why. Never mind, you just hold on. You can go through the nota first. Okay. What happened?
Sir, the answer is standard solution.
I think you can listen my sound.
Can.
Can but I cannot move. I cannot move at all. My computer cannot move at all now. But you still can listen. Good. So the answer is standard solution. Okay,
Yes.
continue, never mind. I let Okay, sorry, I come back. You still with Mr. Lai here? Let's check. Okay, can hear sound? Jie? Okay, now I want to check. Now, one of among of us, one already become host. You already become host. Okay, oh, I am still a host. Yes, okay, no problem. Okay. Sorry, I will stop recording first. Interrupt already.